So if I were to go around over here onto this particular email, and let's say for example I right click it and delete it, then what happens is that I get this action confirmation, as you can see right here, and I can undo it out. Similarly, I can go around and move this out into somewhere else like archive over here, and I get the same option. If I don't want this to appear, then I can go around onto view settings right here. Then what I can do is I can go around onto, let's say for example, onto message handling right here, and I can go around and scroll down and disable this altogether. So here you can see that there is action confirmation, and right now it says when I move, delete or archive a message, confirm that the action was successful. But let me just go around and disable it and click on save over here. So once I do that, what happens is that the action receipt is not there anymore. So I can simply go around and right click over here, and I can move it to, let's say for example, archive over here. And what happens is that that email has been transferred, but I'm not getting the conversation of it anymore, the confirmation of it anymore, because I turned it off. And if I were to go around over here, and then let's say for example, if I were to go around onto let's say message handling, then I can go around and turn this on again and click on save. And what happens is that I can right click and move this out over here onto, let's say for example, archive, and then I get the action confirmation once more. And that is how you can enable or disable action confirmation inside of Microsoft Outlook. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.